Wala,
na...
tuloy-tuloy yun. Separate naman yung impeachment trial sa session.
So,
So
possible...
yung CNDA adjournment will not in any way affect the schedule of the impeachment trial.
We can extend. Depende sa
session.
sa Senate. The impeachment court can extend.
The impeachment
Not the
court.
Senate.
No, the convening SP. The convening
Meaning
session.
kung may 11 na tanggap, let's say, pinasa nila.
Yeah.
If ever, pinasa nila 11. O, de 12, tatasmit nila. O, de dapat 13, we will discuss it already and convene as an impeachment court. Dapat ang mentality namin hindi ganyan. Dapat ang mentality namin, we have to do our job. We have to be impartial. Kahit sino pa yung ipapadala sa amin na articles of impeachment, we have to read, we have to look at it at a very impartial attitude. So, wala lahat dapat isipin na gano'n.
Siyempre, may disadvantage. Iba yung lawyers, may experience sila sa litigation, may experience sa court proceeding.